I've always been fascinated by how the foods we eat affect our bodies and minds. Today, we're going to explore how sugar affects your brain. You might be wondering why that chocolate bar seems so irresistible, or why it's so hard to stop eating cookies once you've started. Well, get ready to dive into the sweet science of sugar and discover the powerful impact it has on your brain. When you eat something sweet, your taste buds spring into action. These tiny sensory organs on your tongue detect the sugar molecules and send signals to your brain. The cerebral cortex, the outer layer of your brain, processes these taste signals. It's like a master chef analyzing the ingredients of a complex dish. Your brain doesn't just recognize sweetness, it also evaluates the intensity, texture, and even the temperature of what you're eating. This intricate process happens in a flash, allowing you to experience the full sensation of that sugary treat almost instantly. Now here's where things get really interesting. When you eat sugar, it doesn't just tickle your taste buds. It also activates your brain's reward system. This system is like a biological cheerleader, encouraging you to repeat behaviors that it deems beneficial. When you eat sugar, this system lights up like a pinball machine, creating a sense of pleasure and satisfaction. This is why you might find yourself reaching for another cookie, even when you're not hungry. Your brain is saying, "Hey, that was great, let's do it again." At the heart of this reward system is a neurotransmitter called dopamine. You might have heard of dopamine before. It's often called the feel-good chemical. When you eat sugar, your brain releases a surge of dopamine, creating a sense of pleasure and reward. It's like a little celebration in your brain, saying, "Woohoo, sugar!" But here's the catch. The more sugar you eat, the more your brain gets used to these dopamine surges. Over time, you might need more sugar to get the same pleasurable effect. This is similar to how tolerance develops with addictive substances. Your brain starts to crave that sugar high, leading to a cycle of cravings and overconsumption. As your brain becomes accustomed to regular sugar hits, it adapts and changes. That crisp apple might not seem as appealing when your brain is expecting the intense sweetness of a candy bar. It's like listening to loud music all the time. Eventually, softer sounds become hard to hear. You might find yourself craving sugary foods more often, especially when you're stressed or tired. Your brain remembers that sugar gave it a quick boost of pleasure, so it encourages you to seek it out again. Brain scans reveal the stark difference in our brain's response to healthy versus sugary foods, highlighting the powerful impact of sugar on our neural circuits. Breaking this cycle isn't easy, but understanding how sugar affects your brain is the first step towards making more mindful food choices. By being aware of how sugar affects us, we can start to make more informed decisions about what we eat, gradually shifting towards healthier options. Understanding sugar's impact on our brain can help us make healthier dietary choices. The next time you're reaching for that sugary snack, remember the complex dance happening in your brain. Let's be more mindful of our sugar intake for a better and healthier life.